Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Kara and I'm a CYNOSURE presenter.
My name is Sebokura Ointokumi and I am a presenter on CYNOSURE.
Hi everyone, my name is Nkanu Greatness and I'm a presenter of CYNOSURE.
Hi guys, my name is Elwan Sukari and this is CYNOSURE.
CYNOSURE is a children's radio program and now also on TV.
The show where young minds ponder on fundamental issues that border on society.
CYNOSURE is a program based on looking through issues through the eyes of a child.
Yeah, we shape our minds so that we can be better in the future.
This program shines the spotlight on inspiration, creativity, talent, and real conversations that matter to young people.
And each episode has a different topic, some of which are modesty, personal hygiene, and so on.
The eyes of a child have this incorrupt looking at things. Once we look at things in an incorrupt way, we can find ways to solve it.
You need to achieve certain things if you put your mindset towards that particular thing.
CYNOSURE means center of attention, and that's the goal, to make sure young ideas, voices, and skills are heard.
Remember, stay focused and stay CYNOSURE.